Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to find the tax delinquency list on PropStream. So to find your tax delinquency list, here's a straightforward guide to do that. So the first thing to do is to visit the PropStream.com and sign into your account. Then from there, select your target area, then enter the desired city, country, or use your zip code in search bar to define your search region. Then from there, click on the filter button to access the filtering option. Then from there, choose the tax delinquency lead list within the filter menu. Then from there, navigate to the quick list section. Then select the tax delinquency to view the properties where the country tax assessors has indicated that the owners has failed to pay their properties tax on time. Then from there, you can further refine your search by applying the additional filters such as the property type, the equity percentage, the owner type, the occupancy status, and a land details. Then after that, you can apply the filter and view your results. So after setting your filters, click apply to generate a list of match tax delinquencies, which the properties in your selected areas. And also from there, you can select the properties you are interested in and click add to list to save them. So navigate to my properties to view your saved list. From here, you can export the list, skip the trace for contact information, or initiate a marketing campaign directly within PropStream. And that's it.